Good morning once again, my brothers and sisters.
Good morning, Father.
Sabi nga natin kanina sa simula, no, nothing more concrete. No? This is exactly how we will be judged, how we have loved or not loved. No? The sin, what we have done and what we have failed to do. Very, very concretely today. This is how it is on Judgment Day. So alam natin saan tayo talaga nakatayo, where we stand, where we are in this world. It is not just for today, it is not just for a short period of time, it is our lifestyle, how we do this every moment, every breathing moment of our life. And in this season of Lent, it is a very good way to reflect upon this, ano bang sinasabi ng Diyos sa atin. We be inspired by the many stories. We know how we see the presence of Christ in the other, sa kapwa. Christ is in the other. He is in disguise, always in the other. We hear the story, the famous story of Martin of Tours. No? Isang malamig na panahon, may nakita siyang isang pulube, hinati yan yung kanyang balabal, yung kanyang coat, binigay niya sa pulube. And that same night, in a dream, he saw Jesus Christ wearing yung kalahati. No? Na suot-suot niya. That's the famous story of Martin of Tours. And that is exactly what will happen. What we did or did not do, we will see the effects. No? It will be really for Christ, who is in disguise in the other. Always. No? Nasa kapwa siya. So we hear that. Today also we have a beautiful saint. Hindi natin kakilala. He is very unpopular. His name is Conrad of Piacenza in Italy. We will see how he applied this today. Si Conrad, may kaya. No? One day he was hunting at para lumabas yung mga hayop, sabi niya, maggumawa kayo ng apoy para lumabas yung mga hayop doon sa halaman. Nung ginawa niya yun, humihip ng malakas yung hangin, kumalat yung apoy. Nasunog yung isang maliit na lugar. Ano? May mga bahay na nasunog dahil sa apoy na yan. At hindi siya napagbintangan. May napagbintangan na isa na kung saan nakulong. No? Na-guilty naman siya. Sabi niya, naku, no? Ako may kasalanan. No? So, inamin niya yung kanyang pagkakasala at binayaran niya, no? Yung mga nasananta. No? As a matter of fact, binenta niya lahat ng kanyang pag-aari at binayaran niya. No? Lahat. At sila mag-asawa, sabi niya, ito'y kamay ng Diyos. Ang nangyaring ito, kamay ng Diyos. Nakikita ko yung kamay ng Diyos. Dahil dito, yung mag-asawa, yung babae pumunta, naging madre sa Poor Clares, at si Conrad pumasok sa tertiary order ng Franciscan hermits. So pumasok siya. At doon namuhay ng mapayapa at tunay na kung saan siya gusto ng Panginoon. Maraming himala, maraming kwento nangyari, maraming dumalapit sa kanya para humingi ng tulong, para humingi ng gabay. At because of that, we see how he lived his life here on earth. The same challenge given to all of us, kung paano natin isa sa buhay ang narinig natin Ebanghelyo ngayon. Nasa ating kapwa, kung paano natin ito mapapakita, kung paano na mapapakita yung pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa ating kapwa. This is the only way we will be judged. We pray with the grace of God that we may do this well as we reflect upon the challenges given to us this season of Lent. Salamat sa Diyos.